Modbus RTU or Modbus TCP, same data model, completely different wire. One runs on serial RS485, the other on Ethernet. Here's the practical difference, and how to test each one live on the same tool. RTU first. It's the old workhorse, a serial line, daisy chain devices, and the eternal question, what baud rate is this thing set to? Watch, pick the COM port and hit auto detect. The simulator probes baud rates and parities against the device until it answers. That alone saves you an afternoon. Connected. These registers are arriving over a real serial link, with CRC checks on every frame. RTU is simple and robust, but it's one master per line, and speed tops out around 115 kilobaud. Now TCP, same registers, but the transport is Ethernet. IP address, port 502, connect. No baud rates, no termination resistors, multiple masters can talk to one device, and it's as fast as your network. The verdict, new installs go TCP unless the hardware forces serial. Legacy plants live on RTU, so you need to speak both. This simulator does, plus ASCII and UDP, so you can test either side without hardware. Modbussimulator.com, free 30-day trial, link below.